Good morning. We will discuss about one more topic, biomolecules. In the biomolecules, last class we discussed about carbohydrates and proteins. Now we are discussing about another two biomolecules, lipids and nucleic acids. Generally, we discussed in the last class what is biomolecule. Biomolecules are the biological molecules produced by the living organism. And biopolymers. Biopolymers are the chain link molecules made up of biomolecules. That means polymeric biomolecules. Biopolymers contains monomeric units. These are covalently bonded with each other to form a large structure. So here, for biomolecules, we are classified into four classifications: proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids. Just we discussed in the last class itself. Okay, so here now we have to discuss about lipids and nucleic acids. Here the lipids are biomolecules and these are having large structure. So here the monomeric unit is glycerol and the second one is the nucleic acids. In the nucleic acids, nucleotides are the monomeric units. So we go for lipids. Along with the biomolecules, along with the carbohydrates and proteins, lipids also plays very important role in our body. See here, the lipids bilayer, it contains hydrophilic and hydrophobic ends. So this is head. It is also called as polar head and it is head. It is hydrophilic. Hydrophilic is nothing but water loving. And this is tail. This is called as a tail. These are also called as non-polar tails. And these are hydrophobic. Hydrophobic is nothing but water-hating groups. Okay. Lipids are main constituents of plants and animal cells. Next, lipids are cholesterol. Triglycerides are lipids. Lipids mainly fats, oils, waxes, and certain vitamins also, such as A, D, E, and K vitamins also lipids. Hormones and the most of the cell membranes that are not made up of protein. The cell membrane which is not made up of protein, all remaining all are lipids. Okay, the main function of lipids are storing energy, and these are precursor of hormones. These are lipids mainly used in the helps in the digestion, and these are metabolic fluids acting as a structural component of the cell membrane. So these are all the main functions of the lipids and different types of lipids. Here we are having phospholipids, waxes, cholesterol, and liposome vitamins. So all these are liposome vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, K, and D vitamin. All these are different types of lipids and what is the function of the lipids are here. Next. And next topic is the nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are the macromolecules that are main use of nucleic acid stores the genetic information and enables the protein production. Genetic information is nothing but hereditary. For example, some similarities, face similarities or hair similarities or behavior similarities with our grandparents or grandparent, grandmother or grandfather or uncle, aunt, etc. like this. This genetic information coming from our forefathers through nucleic acids. So these nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. So these composed of long strands of nucleotides. Nucleotides is the monomer of the nucleic acids. So nucleotides are the combination. Nucleotide is also contains three parts. One is the nitrogen based and 5-membered sugar and phosphate group. So the main two classes of nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. Nucleic acids are polymers which are made up of monomeric units called nucleotides. So this nucleotide contains three parts, just we discussed, nitrogen based and 5-membered sugar and phosphate group. So see here, this is the structure of nucleotide. So this nucleotide contains 5-membered sugar. This is a phosphate link and this is a nitrogen based. So see here, this is the nitrogen-based amino acid, and this is a 5-membered ring sugar, and this is the phosphate group. This total structure is called as a nucleotide, and this is the monomer of the nucleic acids. See here, sugar is very sticky and it is linked with a phosphate group, and it is also linked with the base, 5-membered. Base contains nitrogen group. Next, DNA consisting of 2 strands, and it is contains nitrogen-based 2 chains. DNA forms hydrogen bonds with each other. These hydrogen bonds formed between the adenine and thymine and guanine and cytosine. It contains 4 amino acids. One is adenine and thymine is the one combination. Guanine and cytosine is the another combination of the DNA. See here, this DNA have 2 chains. This is a helical structure of the DNA, and this is a double helical structure of the DNA. So this is also called as spiral shape. So see here, if this violet one is the guanine, and this forms a hydrogen bond with the cytosine. Here, the 2 helical structures combines together to form a double helix through a hydrogen bond. This adenine is form hydrogen bond with the thymine. Guanine is forms hydrogen bond with the cytosine. So this is the double helix structure of a DNA. See, A combines with a T and G combines with the C. Next, ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid is nothing but RNA. So here it is also contains 4 amino acid, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and instead of thymine, here we are having uracil. In DNA contains thymine and RNA contains uracil. The main function of the RNA carries information of amino acid sequence from genes to produce protein structure. So see here, this is the RNA structure. It contains 4 amino acids, guanine, cytosine, adenine, and uracil. So here in RNA, instead of uracil, we are having thymine. The main function of nucleic acids are importance of nucleic acids is continuity of the life. Continuity of the life is nothing but these are hereditary, genetic blueprint of the cell, and these carry functions of the cells. The major job of DNA to carry a code for making proteins. Thank you.